West Karbi Anglong District Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Department organized a short-term training program on scientific rearing of livestock and further cultivation at Hamren on 24th August. Empowering the youth to be self-reliant and economically independent, the West Karbi Anglong District Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Department, under the initiative of District Veterinary Officer Gangadhar Dole, as many as 30 ex-cadres of KPLT youths from local region had participated in the workshop held at Government Poultry Farm Training Hall, Hamren, on 24th August. Rup Singh Teron, MLA, inaugurated the event and delivered his valuable speech in relevance to the workshop, how one can empower and become a self-reliant individual.
KPLT la so kedar tum na la tum bangke sarkar pan kadwe lo chitok se no lang tum min se mang lo ate lang tum me thang goreng wa sai kare ya phan alang tum pan ka pangreng ason patar di ke klem panja pan si veterinary department pen pangrum po lang tum pan training ki people la tan so ram bang ta veterinary pen people lo ate veterinary people non veterinary people lo la pan non ne di pota chi chak lo agriculture pen dam tum training people la
Hetsing Rongpar, MSc Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, Mriganka Borua, Manager, Hamren Government Poultry Farm, Harry Teron, Assistant Manager, Dr. Rimjim Bepi, Dr. Sangmirlin Terangpi, Dr. Rupam Chandra Hazarika, resource persons attended the event and aware the youths about the economic importance of scientific rearing of livestock and further cultivation for animals.
Scientifically animal tuhan kapang range ma so puthak so tum mane pini training daga course division dole hai kuma mane pia farming bola te cattle farming do goat farming do poultry do la la son si mane division ekta puri lo la so course structure salam la receive for fan kusita
মই মানে ফার্স্ট ট্রেনিং নিলাম তাতে আমি টেলিফোন সাউন্ড কেনেকা ইন্টারেস্ট কি করে তার পিছত এটা আমার মইতে মানে আমি ট্রেনিং দিম তাতে আমার administration বা আমাৰ ওপৰ অফিচাৰ সকলে কি কৰে সেইটো ডিসকাস কৰিব পিছত ফাৰ্স্ট আমি ট্ৰেইন আম দ্য পিপল
Daniel in his report from Hamren, Karbi Anglong Live.